We're progressing well with the build. As you can see, we are applying blemish to actually fix the leather. So we've got two of our team members here working feverishly to ensure that the 328 GTS seats are restored to pristine condition. Ferrari 328 GTS is nearing its completion. We have cleaned up the entire interior, the repairs has been done. For the time being, the car is actually hooked up to our C-Type charger because with all these classic cars that we have come in, they usually have a rather weak battery. So we're keeping this charged up, so when the owner comes and collects the car, it should be in good condition and ready to start. As you can see on the passenger side, all the damage that was found last time, the cracks, the tears and all this has been restored back to it. And you can see there's no more cracks and anything on the side. The bolsters are smooth. The top section here, these are also well done. Really used to be cracks over here. We also did the center transmission tunnel that was in a rather bad condition. We actually restored it when we found it as part of a complimentary package. The carpets inside have undergone a cleaning. As you can see, the door panels as well. The door panels on the passenger side, if you can see clearly, it has actually been redone and recolored back to its original color as when it left the factory. Driver's side, where we saw here has suffered the most damage on this side. Basically, if you remember, around this area here, there was a crack and it broke right off the leather, but we managed to use back the original leather. There's no re-upholstery used to bring this car back to spec, and also we've got the color back to its original form. The driver's footwell, the entire area has been given waterproof treatment after cleaning, so if there's any moisture or any liquid that falls on it, it will not absorb into this vintage carpet. It will actually just float on the surface, and you can actually take a cloth and dab it on, dab it dry. Over here, we've also done the rollers for the seat belt. We've also done the boot for the handbrakes, the emergency brakes, and also this side of the door panel has also been done. So taken time to I know you can't actually smell it, but it's actually a vintage leather application to give this car that vintage leather smell. When the owner receives this car, they'll be able to experience